Hi friends, my name is Akil Ahmed, and in this particular video tutorial I will show you how to register a DLL to the GAC. So the agenda of today's video tutorial is that we will see like how can we register a DLL to the GAC. So if you are using any DLL in the SSIS package, and if you need to deploy your SSIS package to the production server or maybe to the another environment like the dev or QA, or UAT or production. So if you need to deploy your package to any of the other environment, then you need to make sure that if you are using any DLL in the SSIS package in the script task, then you need to register the DLL to the GAC. Only then the DLL will be used inside the SSIS package. Otherwise your SSIS package will fail and it will throw some error, okay, that cannot find the assembly or something. So in this video I will show you how you can register a DLL to the GAC. So without wasting further time, let's jump to the demo. First of all, you need to register this DLL to the GAC. Okay, so I have already written the instructions like how you can register the DLL. So if you want to register the DLL to the GAC, then you can just check if this DLL already exists or not on your machine. So for example, because I have already registered the DLL, so at this particular location we got three type of GAC DLLs: the 32-bit architecture DLL, 64-bit architecture DLL, and the MSIL. MSIL is for, this is platform independent. Okay, so the DLL name was rancy.dll. So because I have already registered the DLL, so that's why you can see a folder here, rancy.sshnet, and if you open this particular folder, then this is the version of the .NET 4.0, and inside this folder you can see the DLL. Okay, so to register the DLL, you can register it using the developer command prompt window. Okay, so you can register it by opening the command prompt window. So I have Visual Studio 2019, so you can just go to the folder of that particular instance like Visual Studio 2019, and here you can see the developer command prompt. Okay, so I can right click on it, go to more, and then I can click on run as administrator. Yes, now here I can execute this particular code. Okay, so what we are doing here, to add the DLL for verification skipping, we need to execute this code. So the thing is, this DLL is not strongly named. Okay, so that's why we need to execute this particular code first. So I can execute this code. So this is saying that verification entry added for the assembly rancy.sshnet. Okay, and then to register the DLL to the GAC, we can execute this particular query. So you need to provide the path of the DLL on your machine according to your machine. Okay, so I can execute this one, and the assembly has been successfully added to the cache. So our DLL has been added to the GAC, and now we are good to use this DLL inside the SSIS package. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you like the video, then please click the like button, do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and click on all so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much.